Hi there, students. To corroborate and to substantiate. Well, both of these words have the idea of proving that something is true, giving evidence to show something that is true. And I think in most circumstances, these two words are close synonyms. Although I do think there's a difference in nuance. I get the feeling that corroborate means to give extra evidence, maybe new evidence, to show that something is true, to support it. Whereas I feel substantiate has the idea that you verify it completely. Yeah, I think corroborate gives the idea of extra evidence, whereas substantiate gives the idea of this thing is absolutely true. Okay, so he gave several pieces of evidence, and other witnesses corroborated what he said. Okay, they gave evidence to show that what he said was reasonable and logical. You could say substantiate here as well, but substantiate means to show that something is true. Yeah, to support a claim with facts, and that goes back to corroborate. Yeah, we have evidence to substantiate the allegations, to prove that they're true. We have evidence to corroborate his guilt. So this is adding proof to it, but maybe not proving it conclusively. Also, if you look at these two words, corroborate, this rob bit is the same as robust, which means strong or with strength. So when you're corroborating, you're making it stronger. Whereas when you're substantiating, you're giving it substance, yeah? You're making it actually real and tangible. And I think that's the difference between corroborate and substantiate. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Corroborate and substantiate.